Wow. I just had to tell somebody because I feel like this shit is just friggin' mind blowing. It's like, why not tell my whole fucking Instagram, right? I just got off a phone call, right, with a person that's trying to enroll in Wall Street Academy and everything, right? The crazy part is also he's incarcerated. He been incarcerated for 20 years and still incarcerated. He gets out soon, but it's like he seen my name on Google somewhere, found a phone number, called me up, I answered, like, yo, we spoke for about like 20 minutes, you know what I'm saying, chopping it up and whatnot. And it's kind of crazy, like, yo, after 20 fucking years, this man fire's still on, it's still lit, the grind is still there, the drive is still there, the focus is still there, like the whole fact that he wants to better himself is still there, which is friggin' inspirational because I know, like, 20 fucking years, 20 years incarcerated, and I don't even care what he did. It's the fact that, the only thing I care about is the fact that he's willing to better himself no matter, you know, what his past entailed of, you know what I'm saying, which is, it's crazy. So it's like, you know, I told him, like, yo, man, like, listen, like, I'll do what I can to help you out, you know what I'm saying. Here, I'm taking advantage of the coupon code, you know, like, you know, let's keep in touch, tell me your progress and that kind of shit, because, you know, he's not the only Wall Street Academy students that is incarcerated. Like, we have about, I think, 3 students in total right now that I know about that's incarcerated. And I mean, he's definitely the longest, but at the same time, like, it's just the main fact, like, yo, listen, like, no excuses, you know, no excuses, whatever it takes to better yourself, no matter, you know, what the situation is. And that shit was like, wow, people's really out here, man. So just wanted to share that real quick. I feel like that show was definitely mind blowing. Yeah, man, like, if you see this video when you get out, you know what I'm saying, like, always, my phone is still on, you know what I'm saying, just holler at me, whatever I can do to help, let me know.